Get long-lasting, smooth skin with the fastest, most precise epilator. Removes hair up to 4 times shorter than wax. Use your Silcapil 9 under warm water for a more pleasant experience. The 40% wider head catches up to 2 times more hair in a single stroke. Brown's pivoting head adapts to every contour, and the smart light ensures even the finest hairs are not missed. Brown's exclusive Sensor Smart pressure sensor will alert you if too much pressure is applied. For use around sensitive areas, use the shaver head attachment before epilating. Use Brown's exfoliation brush regularly to help avoid ingrown hairs. Or for sensitive areas, use a gentle exfoliation brush. And apply a moisturizer to keep skin soft. Use the deep massage pad for more visibly toned skin. Get up to 4 weeks of salon-smooth skin with the fastest, most precise epilator, the Silcapil 9 Skin Spa by Brown.
Discover spectacular gentleness for your delicate body parts. New Beat Sensitive Precision Expert. Now, even in the shower, shave your bikini line with no fear of cuts, whatever your style. And for your eyebrows, choose the new adjustable head to trim and shape the way you want. Wherever you go, New Beat Sensitive Precision Expert.